drinking bitter melon or bitter gourd juice has so many benefits. Strengthening the immune system, cleansing the liver, anti-aging, good for type 2 diabetes, weight loss, increasing metabolism, lowering bad cholesterol, great for your eyes, excellent vitamin K source, promote skin health are some of the benefits. But the bitterness of the bitter melon juice makes it difficult for a lot of people to consume. So we have come up with a recipe selecting ingredients that work in combination to reduce the bitter taste in the mouth. We are happy to share the recipe with you.